You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and we're bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at 17.3k at this area. And yesterday, I said we should wait for 24 hours to see if the market is going to go down, and that is what I was expecting anyway. And on the 4-hour chart, market was at this very level, and I said market is going to come down into this level of support. If you watch this very video, you will see that clearly. And on the 4-hour chart, ETH, the same thing. Market was here, and I said market is going to still come back to the downside. Exact same thing. So what are we expecting today in the markets? Which directional bias do I have today? All of these and more into this video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, Remit Trade, please help subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the BTC USDT 1-day chart, if you look at this area, you see this spike and then this drop to the downside with this bearish candle. Right, the market is on this level of resistance. That means this very area is a very strong resistance for the market. So we are seeing this very hole in the market right here, market trying to move to the upside slightly, but right now, what I am paying attention to is the market still moving back to the downside. If you look at this very area, I said market is going to come back down a little bit before we see that continuation to the upside. So I'm expecting market to still continue back to the downside before that move to the upside. So expect the market to still come back down. Not only that, if you look at the RSI indicator, so if you put on the RSI right here and you plot the RSI on your chart from this very area right here to this very point, we have this very line right here. So if you're expecting a breakout on this very trend, and if this breakout happens, it will further confirm that the market is going to head back to the downside. That means if we see the RSI begin to move downward and break this line of support and move back to the downside, that is a good indication for a confirmation of this very move that the market is going to move back to the downside when this breakout occurs. Once this breakout occurs, it's a further confirmation of what I'm talking about right on this chart. But without the RSI, I am still expecting that the market move back to the downside, give us a nice move to the downside before that very continuation to the upside. And this very level of support right here is very, very important to the market, in as much as this very line of resistance right at this area, which is support at this point, is also very important to the market as you see the market come back to the downside. So this is what I am paying attention to on the BTC USD 1-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart, if you look at this area, yesterday I said market is going to come back from this very area where the market was to the downside, and we see the market move from here into the level of support at this very point, which was resistance at this area. So we see resistance right at this point, we have resistance right here, and we have resistance at this area, which is now support at this very point. So what I am expecting right now is very simple on the chart, and that is what I want you to pay attention to as well. Market should slightly go down to this very area of support, and I am expecting a retracement to the upside from where the market is right now of 17.3k to this area of 17.1k. Between this level right now, this place where I circled right now, which I expect the market to move up a little bit in form of a retracement before the next continuation to the downside. So what you should pay attention to right now is a retracement from this area of 17.3k to 17.1k, and a significant bullish candle to the upside is expected for the market to move to the upside for this very retracement before continuation to the downside. So this is what I am paying attention to right now on BTC, And on ETH, the same thing. I said market is going to come back down. Market did, and I said expect the market to come into this very level of support, this very area, guys, because this area is very, very important, and that is what I am still paying attention to. So expect this market to still move a little bit into this line of support, this very zone. Once market do that, we are going to see the market have a nice retracement to the upside, and a significant bullish candle from this area is a sign that market is going to retrace from this very point to the upside. So pay attention to the market retracing from this very line of support on the ETH USDT 4-hour chart. So this is what I am expecting right now on the chart, on the immediate short term. What do you think about the market on the 4-hour chart? Do you think this market is going to from here retrace back to the upside, then continue back down again? Or do you think the market is just going to move straight to the downside into this level of support? Comment below in the comment section of this video. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit when you use the link down below this video. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.